In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet in Smartsheet efficiently and effectively. Duplicating a sheet can be incredibly useful when you need to start a new project with a similar structure or when you want to create a backup of your work. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, head over to your Smartsheet workspace list. Here, you'll see a list of all your sheets. Find the specific sheet you want to duplicate. You have a couple of options to proceed. You can either right-click directly on the sheet's name, which will bring up a context menu, or you can use the O menu located next to the sheet name. Both options will lead you to the next step seamlessly. Once you've accessed the menu, you need to select the option labeled Duplicate. This action will prompt the system to get ready to create a new copy of your existing sheet. Now, you'll see a dialog box pop up, providing you with a few basic but essential options to customize your new duplicate. At this stage, give your duplicate sheet a new and meaningful name. It's often helpful to choose something that hints at its purpose or the changes you plan to make. For instance, if this sheet is intended for a new quarters project, make sure the name reflects that distinction. Next, you'll want to decide on the destination workspace for your duplicated sheet. If you're working across multiple projects or teams, this flexibility ensures that your new sheet lands exactly where it needs to be. Do keep in mind that you need to have the appropriate permissions in the destination workspace for this step. Without the right permissions, you won't be able to complete the duplication process. After confirming the new name and destination, you're all set. The system will create a new copy of the sheet in the selected workspace. It's important to note that this new copy will include only the data from the original sheet. At this point in time, Smartsheet doesn't carry over attachments, comments, links, or formulas within this duplication process. They aim to enhance duplication features in the future, so be on the lookout for updates that might include the ability to copy these additional elements. And there you have it, a new duplicate of your Smartsheet sheet ready for you to use. It's as easy as that, providing you a quick way to replicate structures and data when needed. Remember, keeping your work organized and backed up is crucial, and Smartsheet's duplication feature is one great way to achieve that. Thank you for watching, and happy Smartsheet duplicating.